what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily delete your transaction history on Gcash. Just head over to the Gcash app. So apparently, there's no specific way on how you can easily delete all of your transaction history all at once, and the only easiest thing method that you can do is head over to your profile just by clicking on the profile icon, and from here just click on delete account. So that's the only possible way if you really want to delete all of your transaction history on Gcash. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that this helped you on how you can easily delete all of your transaction history on Gcash. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!